if you compare with Croatia, Gotovina was not in The Hague when it was decided in the European Union. I was the president, the head of this task force, if you remember, in 2005. And immediately after our presidency in October 2005, the 3rd of October 2005 in Luxembourg, under British presidency, it was decided that now Croatia fulfilled politically 100% cooperation with ICTY, and you know what happened, that negotiations had been able to start. So it is not a condition, that was your question, that Mladić and the other name, Hadžić, should be arrested and be transferred. It is the political will and the efficiency of the cooperation of your government with ICTY, and that this is appreciated by Serge Brammertz, and the political decision is taken by the Council of Ministers.